If you want to import your Safemoon V2 into Solana, the easiest way to do it is by importing your current Safemoon wallet into the VGX wallet. To do it, just click on the import wallet and then enter your secret passphrase. It will then ask you to create a password. Make sure to remember this as you'll use it later. So now I can access my Safemoon from my Trust wallet into my VGX wallet. If you look closely, you'll see that I have 199,383 Safemoon tokens. From here, just click on the green button at the top that says Smart Chain, and then select the Solana network. Once you are in the Solana network, just click on the Receive button, and then click on the Solana, and copy the QR code. So make sure to check this address because this is what you're gonna use later to swap your Safemoon token. Once you copy your receive address, you can click on the browser button at the bottom of the screen and then just check all the boxes on the terms and click on the I understand and agree button. Under DeFi, just click on Safemoon V2 to Solana bridge and then click on connect wallet. Click on select wallet. Scroll down from this page and then click connect. Click proceed. And on this page, it's going to show you how much token is available to be swapped for this day. Make sure that your token is smaller than this number. Select the Safemoon token that you want to burn, V1 or V2. Then click on max under the amount to burn. And then paste your Solana wallet address here. Once you entered your Solana wallet address, you can click on burn token. Here it's going to ask you to make your first BNB smart contract call purchase. Just click confirm and then enter your VGX wallet password. Confirm your first transaction and then close this screen, and now it's going to ask you for the second transaction for 38 cents. So the first one is 10 cents, this is 38 cents. That's about 48 cents total transaction. Click confirm. It's going to ask you for your VGX wallet password again. Then click confirm, and then here it's gonna show you that the burn process is successful. And you can see now under Safemoon, I only have dust tokens left. From here, you can just click on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from this screen, your new Safemoon token should show up. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes before the token gets updated. So just keep refreshing it by swiping down on the screen, and it should show the token right now. So I hope that this video is helpful to you. Please help a fellow Safemoon army by clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. And thank you for watching.